Hey guys, Super Foxy 102 here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Level Productions.
Yes, I'm here.
So yeah, today we're gonna be showing you guys how to not get tricked into ordering Fnaf plushies, or any plushie for that matter. But in this case, it's Fnaf plushies. So yeah, let's get right into that. Go on to Google and look at Fnaf Plush, or look up Fnaf Plush, and then go to shopping. Oh crap, it's loading. Hashtag not sponsored, guys. So yeah, guys, look for a picture, any picture of a plushie that actually looks real. So like this picture a little bit. It's not real. Just to tell you, because it should say down here, brand Funko. Okay, let's actually find another picture. Maybe we could actually not get tricked.
Wait, check out the Golden Freddy.
Hold on. Okay, so it says down here, brand Funko. So, you won't get tricked by that. It just has to say brand Funko. If you don't want to get tricked, like I said, just make sure it says brand Funko down here, or you'll definitely get tricked into getting a FNAF plushie that's fake.
Okay, now check out the Golden Freddy. See if it says brand Funko.
Okay, because we got tricked. Okay, it says Funko down here, so this one's a real. I want to visit the site, but not right now, guys. That's how you can tell how to not get tricked.
What about Fnaf Foxy?
Fnaf Foxy, I'm sure this is a fake. $0.99, that's a lie. See? It says brand, it doesn't say brand Funko, so that's definitely a fake.
Yeah, they're just making it look real.
They're just making it trying to look good, since it actually has a real background and not a transparent one. And you could definitely tell these ones are not from Funko. Of course it's not, see? So if you really want to get the fake plushies, then whatever. But if you don't want to get tricked into getting a fake plushie, then you gotta make sure it says brand Funko.
Like tap on one.
Like look on this one, it says brand Funko. So this little bit's real. So maybe Level of Productions can get it.
I'm not getting that one
I'm
yet.
not worried. $26 for this Toy Chica plush? It's probably a fake. Okay, yeah, it says brand Funko, so I don't know how that's not fake. That's weird. Well, I guess since it's online, I guess it makes a whole different story.
I have a Sanchi Shadow Freddy and a Freddy.
I don't think there's a Sanchi Shadow Freddy, but hold on. Guys, as you can see, there's no brand Funko down here, so that's definitely a fake.
It'll probably be like our Golden Freddy, how it's like weird. That's probably what it's gonna look like.
Okay, what about this Chica right here? I already got Chica, but okay, it says brand Funko, so you're good, guys, or we're good. Just make sure, guys, if you don't want to get tricked. Okay, let's look at this Bonnie. It's probably a fake. It's $19.95 for that plushie. Dang. People are crazy, but it says brand Funko, so I guess it's not fake. But hold on, wait. Guys, maybe people trick you sometimes. You gotta find a plushie with the transparent background. Click onto that. And if it says brand Funko, then yeah, you're good. Ah! I pressed some buttons. Okay.
Actively might play out.
This doesn't say brand Funko, so you guys gotta be careful. Okay, what about these? Oh wait, those are fake, definitely. Oh my goodness.
Look how ugly they are.
I know, right? Ew, they're so weird. Well, I mean that Nightmare Freddy's okay looking except the eyes. That's the only thing wrong. Oh my gosh, look at that Ennard. Ew.
No,
look how big Bon is on Funtime Freddy, guys. My lord. People. I mean, that plushie's okay. Oh wait, you got this one, guys. He got this Freddy, and I guess the Fredbear and the Golden Freddy is okay, but the problem is that they look weird, kinda. Okay, oh look at this good stuff. Maybe you could get good stuff. Good stuff is alright, I guess, but they're weird looking, like I said too. Okay, what about this Bonnie right here? Okay, it says brand Funko, so you guys are good. It might, even though it does have a Sanchi picture, Bonnie. The Sanchi is sold out, or the Sanchi Bonnie sold out, guys. Even though that is a good one. Hold on, let's go through search more. Okay, what about this puppet? It's probably... Okay, yeah, this definitely doesn't show the brand Funko. I got notifications. Okay, that Foxy's definitely fake, as you can see. The picture shows everything, guys. But what if it says brand Funko?
It does say brand Funko.
It might show a fake picture. Okay, guys, click on the fake pictures, and if it says brand Funko, then you're good.
They just don't...
Just, don't be going through and look up fake plushies, and if it says brand Funko. Because, you know, sometimes they might trick you and stuff, but...
Just like me.
Make sure the picture is transparent, the background. Okay, what about this toy Bonnie? Is it fake? Okay, yeah, it's not fake. So guys, anyways, like I said, remember, if you want to order a Fnaf plushie online and not get...
Ow!
Oh, he hurt himself. But if you don't want to get if you don't want to get scammed, then just make sure it says brand Funko.
Sometimes they can trick you in brand Funko. They can lie to you.
But hold on, let's see this Funtime Freddy. Yeah, this is definitely a fake. Cause you can have it in different sizes, guys. Look, I wonder what it looks like in Whoa! Yeah, that's fake, guys. Okay, yeah, definitely not ordering this online. Even though it says brand Funko, so if it shows size on here, then whatever. Just don't order that. What about this toy Freddy?
What about
Okay, it doesn't say. What the heck? Why is there a bubble stick right here? Hold on. What the heck? This is a lie. This is a lie, guys. If it doesn't show a picture of the plushie once you click on it.
What about Toy Bonnie?
Toy Bonnie, that's not Toy Bonnie.
I never Bonnie.
Oh, what about Baby? Okay, guys, the last one we're gonna do is Baby. So,
Brand Funko! Woo!
So, yep, it's real, guys.
No, Batman! I'm joking.
So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, wait, guys, Super Foxy broke her Bonnie's head off.
Yeah, I did.
Because her cousin, her other cousin was pulling on the head and it ripped the head right off. And guess what? She might do a video of him dead, but she's not sure yet. Because her mom and dad are telling her to get rid of it. Right, Super Foxy?
Not get rid of it. They said I could have it, but I gotta figure out how to sew the head back on. And make him zombie bunny. But anyways, guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.